good. I'm good.
I'm
Nice.
Nina. How are
Hi.
you?
I'm good. I'm good.
Okay.
How about you?
My name Nina. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
My name is Jack.
Okay. I want to ask you a question. How do you know
Yeah.
about metal in the world?
Well, I heard some news
Yes.
and information about your
Yes.
product
Yes.
recently,
Yes.
but not too much. Not so much.
Yes.
So I think if you can, your company
Yes.
can provide more
Yes.
information,
Mm-hmm.
or if you have some more activities
Yes.
in the market
Yes.
to the, then people can approach
Yes.
and can get more
Yes.
understanding
Yes.
about the product.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. I hope you can know about Metaboot more, and you can show every friend in the world, and you can show company also. And I can maybe later you know more, and you can
Yeah.
support for my company also. Thank you very much.
Yeah, that's
Thank
good.
you very much.
Thank you. You
Have
are
a nice
welcome.
day.